I don't have any results. I don't have any followers. Why would anybody want to watch my content? This is what I hear a lot of beginners say when they start posting content. So if you're someone who's new to digital marketing, then this video is for you. If you're a beginner with digital marketing, or you're going through a course right now and you don't know what type of content to create, just start posting about your journey. If you're a beginner, just tell people that you're a beginner and show them the progress that you're making. So if you're going through a course and you're learning how to build a sales funnel, share that with your audience. You can share something like, today I learned how to build a sales funnel, here's what a sales funnel is, and here's why you need it for your business. And when you do this, it's like you're bringing your audience along for the ride. And most importantly, share your struggles, your wins, and your setbacks. Now there's a couple of reasons why you should do this. Number one, it gives people a realistic look into what this journey is like. And number two, you're showing your audience that you're real and authentic. Most people only share the wins in their business, but realistically, there's setbacks too. And also sharing the reason why you're doing this and what your goals are is going to inspire your audience. You don't need to have these crazy commissions in order to start creating content. Like I mentioned earlier, if you just learned how to build a sales funnel, you can turn around and create a video showing people why they need a sales funnel and what it does in their business. And to somebody who does not know what a sales funnel is, you're going to be seen as an authority figure by them. Just think about some of your favorite TV shows. They're usually focused around a main character, and people continue to watch that show every week because they want to see what's going to happen next. And this can be you when you start sharing your journey and showing your progress. So I'll give you an example using myself. So a couple of weeks ago, I invested into a program that teaches people how to build a profitable blog. And it's taught by people who practice what they teach. So the course is always going to be up to date. So the first part is just the introduction, and they also share how you can use AI tools for blogging and how to build a personal brand. The second module talks about keyword terminology and how to find keywords. And I just finished the third module, which talks about the mindset for success. And I'm currently going through this module, which talks about how to set up your website. But as you can see, there's a lot more training modules to go through. But if you want to see my progress and what my thoughts are after going through this program, make sure to hit that follow button.